So yeah, I was just showing y'all the turtles, and my video was interrupted by a call, so had to send that to the junkyard. Jay would not stop. Yes, sir. So now I clock by the buy drops out. Thanks to the drop that was jumping out the glass pot. Last not least, you rap dudes in trouble. I don't do pop music, but I do pop bubble. Yeah. So here we go. Right here. Can't flip this damn shit over. So I'll let you walk with me. But I'd rather you not look at me. Look at the nature. It's so beautiful. I'm not as beautiful. So much, you know, lovelativity. Lovelativity. I just made that word up. Patent pending. So keep your biting asses the fuck where you at. God almighty no. Yeah, boy. You know, the originate. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Wow. So I'm gonna give y'all a couple more minutes on this adventure with me. You know, it's just one of my many adventures. I gotta have a couple of weeks, cause damn it, man, being regular hurts. Fuck, I can't do it. Chill. You see the sun. You know what it is. So last time I went down this trail, it's kind of off the trail. This is the main trail. So this is off. Last time I went down here, there was a few big ass snakes out here. And when I got close, they went into the water. So I rarely come this way. It's a warm day, so it's not a good day to come this way. But, you know, I don't listen. You know damn well I don't listen. Fuck, how would I be me if I did? Honestly, I would be you. Can't have that. Got a camping trip coming up within the next week or so. So I'll be uploading some footage from that. You know, I'm an outdoors type of person. You know, I'll make do. I can live off the land. Agriculture, that's my thing. Building, that's my shit. Fuck. Even show you how to purify some water if you need be. So, listen to the sounds of JKG, BlakCrown. It ain't all about rap. Yeah. JKG and nature just go hand in hand. Hand in hand. So I'm gonna walk back through here because I actually like the view of this way better. I'm all into views and shit. Not like Facebook views or none of that shit. Internet views rather. But I love views. Views. So yeah, like I said, for the parking lot to be full, it's sure you will not seeing a lot of people. So that's how big this place is. This trail, you can be out here for an hour or so and not see another person, which I love. The tranquility, unless somebody is out there with some binoculars or something watching me. But hell, I would too, wouldn't you? You know?
Fuck your city, fuck my city.
Stupid. Where we got next? Hey, Chevrolet Cadillacs. I'm just riding through my city. So since I ain't seen nobody, I've been trying to be, you know, nice, courteous, and turn my music up a little bit, so I don't have to keep putting y'all to my pocket to hear what I'm hearing. The BlakCrown sounds, JKG, Slickster, Peterbilt, you know what I'm talking about, everybody else. I'm just riding through my city. Know just how I'm feeling. I usually see deer on this side. Got a little bridge I'm stepping over here. I pray for peace in the world. Don't do nothing but violate me. You be losing. Who's at 11? B is chilling. What more can I say? We living. Jackson Burbs. Rolling Vogues. Party hoes sounding like a new no chasing. I'm the coolest motherfucker on earth if it is. I'm just riding. So you know just how it's guaranteed you. Yeah. So some storms have come and knocked some trees down. I don't know if y'all can see that over there. It looks like one big one fell and took a few big ones, little ones with it. Yeah. Completely complex. Ain't no yes, sir. I can walk backwards like this. Use my camera as my lookout. But if you know me, you know I'm clumsy as fuck, so I ain't gonna do that. I ain't gonna do that. Shit, that would be stupid side. You know? Stupid side, it's a stupid side. It's a nice little walkway. This fence or whatever didn't used to be here. So I guess one of you people done jumped in here. Didn't you? It was you. I know you did. I know you did. I just got that feeling it was you. You got that look on your face like you go jump in some shit like that. All for the thrill of the hunt. For the thrill of the motherfucking hunt. Yes, sir. Out here in this nature. Man, had to just bring y'all out here with me. So, we're getting close to the end of y'all's time out here with me. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my time out here. This video is reaching the 15-minute mark. And I said I would do a 30-minute video. Then somebody called me. And anyway, so I think the video before this one is 15 minutes as well. So I will load them up with the same name, title, whatever. And I just put, one of two and two of two. Let y'all check out the Green Lagoon. You see over here, there be turtles, all kinds of different shit. I saw some big birds out here one time, getting some fish out of here. Oh, look, we got some more turtles over there on those logs. Y'all can't see them right now. But I think it was like some hawks. And it was getting fish out of this little lagoon. I'm back at the entrance of, well, this entrance of the nature trail. There's a few different entrances and a few different trails, walkways, a lot of nature. Gotta come out here and get energy. Energy. Either way you spell it, it still mean the same thing. That energy, I-N-N-E-R, I-N-N-E-R dash G. That's that inner God. And energy, the conventional way of spelling it, that's how you get, revitalized. And what better way to revitalize yourself than the creator of all? What better way to revitalize you? But you got to do that through you. Yep, this ain't just for decoration. I can use it if need be. But decoration and help right now. Fuck around and hit myself in the head with it just because I'm on video. I could do more if I had my other hand I was working with. Anyway, so let me get to my nature because I need to go eat when I'm finished with this. And I got some things that I want to do. It's not a need to do type of day for me. It's gonna be a want to do type of day for me. I look sleepy because I've been playing in the bushes. So let me get back to the bushes. Peace.